All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be talking about battery life on the Galaxy S25 Edge. Now, to my surprise, I actually made it a lot farther and got more screen on time than I thought I was going to get. So I wanted to wait to record this video. This is the second day of having this phone, and I haven't charged it since yesterday when I did that unboxing video. So at the recording of this video. So whenever you're watching that, just know that this is what I'm showing you here is one battery cycle, like one charge. This is what I got. Now your battery life will differ. It'll be on how you use your phone and what you're doing with it. So I definitely have used this phone a lot. In the first 2 to 3 days of getting a phone, I use it way more than I normally would because I'm setting it up, I'm signing in. It gets a lot of time like that, but I've actually been doing a lot on this phone because I really like it a lot. It's just the hardware. When comparing it next to my S25 Plus, it just came down to it's feeling different in the hand. I still like the OnePlus 13 as probably my phone of the year. As of right now, it's going to have something that has to come out to be just spectacular to make me not give this phone of the year. It's going to have to be spectacular, but nonetheless, here is the battery stats on this phone. Let's get in here and show you. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go down to battery. All right, so we're at 13%. Let's go into it. So let's start with yesterday. As you can see, I charged it to 100, and then I never put it back on the charger. No wireless charging, no nothing. So yesterday, I went to bed after using it all day. I had 3 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time. I went to bed with 58%. So this is just the first day of using it. You can see there, right there. That was the 30th. Today is the 31st, as you can see there. So I messed with it all day, a lot that day. Got 3 hours and 41 minutes. Here's today's usage. I got currently I'm at 2 hours and 18 minutes, and here's today's stats. So you go ahead and put that together. 341 and 6 hours of screen on time, folks. 6 hours of screen on time. My primary SIM card is in here. I'm using it with everything that I would do on any phone. And the reason I say I use it a little bit more is because I got more phone calls and messages. It just was off the charts yesterday a lot. But, nonetheless, it's a lot going on here. It's a lot going on here. And then today, I'm just now getting started. You know what I'm saying? Church this morning, so that's why you see a lot of screen on time with the Bible there. But ultimately, this is what I'm looking at. 6 hours of screen on time, 24 hours of use, basically, or 20 hours of use. Yeah, about 20, a little over 20 hours of use, 6 hours of screen on time. I'm going to go ahead and call it. That's great battery life. Now, and the great part is it's still learning my behaviors. You see what I'm saying? So it's still learning, but stopped charging 1 day and 1 hour ago. So it has been 24 hours. It's been a little over 24 hours. So I charged it over a day ago, over 24 hours ago, and I got 6 hours of screen on time flat out. And I can probably get a little bit more, but hey, there it is. Once this phone in the next 5 to 7 days learns my particular behaviors, I'll get even better battery life, more than likely. So yeah, it's been great, man. It has been great so far. While the phone is thin and everything, it still doesn't feel as good as this phone in the hand. It's going to take a lot for phones to feel good like this. This phone has that back on it that it just feels really good. This phone is really solid on the feel in hand. It's really good. It's really good. But anyway, 6 hours of screen on time, that's really good, folks. So when it comes down to it, if you're worried about battery life, I don't know, man. It's always going to depend on who you are and how you're using it. But at the same time, I think you'll be happy with this particular phone's battery. It's a 3900 milliamp hour battery. It's optimized perfectly fine for me. And I just don't have any complaints about it at this point. So it's your man Jay. Quick video on the battery life. After about a week or so, I'm really gonna see how this settles in, and we'll see how this works out long term. This thing is it's very nice in performance, folks. I'll get into that later, but this thing is the elite processor. So, and you've got lots of RAM in here. You've got solid software. You've got the latest and greatest. So this is going to perform how you want it to perform. It's just going to come down to batteries and camera. And I have taken a few shots on here, and I got to say, I'm impressed. I don't like that it only has a 10 times zoom, but I'm still impressed. I'm impressed. Now I'm going to put this on the charger and get it back to 100%. And then I'll bring you more content on it. So I hope you enjoyed the first impressions of the battery so far. There'll be people getting in the comments saying it takes a week to learn. Pay attention to the video, folks. This is that first initial burst of 24 hours. That is impressive. That's impressive for this battery. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Oh yeah, the link to purchase is down below. And in that description, there's something special down there for you giveaway fans. Check it out.